So guys, this is the finished product of the soup. You see how that is rich and yellow? Look. Yep. This is it. Rich and yellow, lovely soup. That's the finished product. So these small bowls you see over here is what I have taken out for my husband for the week that he's going to be out on the road, like I told you. So yes, and so this is the finished product of what the soup is and how rich it is. And I won't be stirring my husband dinner, but I'm gonna be just grabbing my own here, come over here, and I'm gonna be stirring mine so you can see what I'm talking about. Just look how rich this is. See that? It's rich and wonderful chicken soups. So there's a chicken, got a few pieces of crab in there, crab meat. See, that's there. Yes. And that's for my son, and that's for his wife. So see the big pot that I was cooking, that's all that's left in the pot. So that's a meal for another day or two for me, right? So that's the finished product of the soup that I was cooking. And so this is a very short clip. All right, it's a very short clip. Thank you again for watching my videos. Thank you for watching. This is the finished product. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. You have a great one, and thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.